We're here today, sadly under such unfortunate circumstances.
Just doing my job, you know? Man, this place is awesome.
Indeed. This is our mascot and fan engagement lab.
Oh, cool. What's that?
That's our prototype for an infinite hot dog. Please, help yourself.
Whoa.
Let's get you suited up. Unfortunately, our primary swoop suit was damaged in the fall. This is our prototype for a next-generation mascot. Now, the tech is still in beta, so be careful out there. Fortunately, you're a trained mascot operator, so we have 100% confidence in you.
Ow. How's these all doing? Hey, go birds.
Smell like a Giants fan.
Your kind don't last long around here.
Oh, God. Listen, I'm not really a Giants fan. I'm just from New York.